Every student that works with us here has to sign the Bechtel Innovation Design Center Membership Agreement, which can be found both online and at the front desk. Bechtel Innovation Design Center Member Agreement. The Bechtel Innovation Design Center is a not-for-profit student-driven community. It was built and equipped by donations. We provide design support, instruction, tools, and a safe environment to help you complete projects. Please use the facility only for its intended purpose, not for financial gain. You understand that our resources are typically limited to the generosity of alumni and others. Be considerate of others and the center. Respect the space, comfort, and property of others. Your support is critical to helping as many Purdue students as possible. If asked, you agree to perform a 5-minute task not related to your individual needs. In addition, you will have many opportunities to help and share. Please use them. Use this space for projects. Homework, socializing, and sleep are important, but please take them somewhere else. The staff are here to help you succeed. They are also in charge. The staff are here to help you get the most out of the center. The staff support that success with training and equipment. Access to the center is at staff discretion. Be engaged. You may only work here when you are alert, well-rested, and unimpaired. Clean up. Your continued access is dependent on cleaning up after yourself. You must budget time for this at the end of your work session. Class schedules are not an excuse. The center support does not change intellectual property ownership. In most cases, Purdue students own the intellectual property they develop according to Purdue University policy. You are here by choice to learn and work. You do not own the building space, machine time, or staff time. You own your project and its success.